Divas, I've got my next Jaded Gem Shop in. You know, it does take a little longer to get from Jaded Gem Shop, but the kits seem to be worth it. They really do. I can't wait to do this one. This is another Masters. If you can see the thumbnail, I'm not sure you can see it real well, but I'll show you the canvas. And I also ordered, I also ordered a special drill pen because I wanted to see if this was any easier on the wrist than the others. Right now, I ordered it without the single placer in it, and that's where it would go. And it is made from, can you see that? It is made from extra drills. It's kind of cool. It's got a little bit of a rough surface over here, but I guess that's the way, when you put it on the lathe, that's the way it's going to come out. But I thought maybe as a single placer, it might be better used in my hand that way. So we'll test it out and see. I'll have some new accessories to show you. Oh, I haven't opened this yet, so... This looks like they give us... Oh, hold on.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay. My daughter came in. These look like the release papers that you put on a little bit at a time to cover up your work if you don't want to use the plastic cover on it. You get one large sticker. And I like the way these stickers are in there. Are they individually? Yes, they're individually cut. There are 57 different colors in here, and I'm gonna put some trade some out for gems. But here is the canvas, the picture of the canvas. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the butterflies in her hair. Butterflies in the crown on her hair. And the beaded purse that she is holding. Oh, she's going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. She's even prettier than I saw on the website. Oh my gosh. Even prettier. Ugh. Wow. Alright, now let me see what... Let me put this aside. And... Let's see. It's huge. It is huge. But I like when it's 2 big packs of drills and a green washi tape. Oh, basic green washi tape. That's nice. Put the drills up there a second. Here we go. It has the legend on the bottom. And have I brought you out wide enough to see the whole thing? I have. Move this over here so it's out of the way. There we go. Now, because it is, I believe it's a square. Double check that. Yes, the other one was a round and this one is a square. I believe I had gotten both to see how the drills that she has work. This is gorgeous. Look how beautiful. The butterflies in her hair. I can't wait to bling them up. And the beaded purse, I'm going to bling that up as well. And I'm probably going to put some bling in her eyes too. Oh, that's beautiful. You can't really see by the canvas how beautiful it's going to be when it is finished. This is called Take the Fair Face of Woman. Take the Fair Face of Woman. It's 50 by 60, and it's made by Sophia Anderson. That's the artist. Let's see the drills that we've got. They're in Ziploc baggies. I like that. And the canvas is nice. It's got the fuzzy backing, but it's nice and stiff. It's got the pinked and poked edge on it, so that it prevents fraying. You feel nice and sticky. It's got a thicker plastic cover, which I like. But I am told it is still chipboard glue, not mounted glue, which is just fine. Oh, they're beautiful. They are beautiful. I like the way they're packaged. Yep. 890s. Some have one package. Some have a lot, like this 310. There are going to be a lot of those in the background. Should I bring you in a little bit to see all these? Should I do them over again? Well, I'm not going to do them all over again, but here they are. Let me show you. Yep. They are pretty big packages. I like the browns in it. I'm a brown fan. Because I think the neutral browns bring out the beauty of some of the other colors. This is probably the background colors, the ones that are over a certain color number. Are all the high numbers here. I like that too. When she divides them up per strip, it's how many of each do you need. And they seem to be stuck together as far as that's how many. That's a nice navy blue there. It was. Yep. They look like they're all put together per color here. Yeah. Okay. And that. I really liked the other kit I purchased from her. So I'm looking forward to, I haven't done it yet, but I'm looking forward to doing one of them. I have so many that I need to do, and some of them are from companies that I haven't gotten to yet either. So it's hard to choose which one to do next, but I really do want to keep doing the kits from the companies that are that I haven't done yet, because I want to see and how their quality is, and I try to get both square and round from the companies so that I can give you a better estimation of what their drills are like. More 310s. Alright, so there isn't a bigger number or lesser number here. Okay. I just know I have a lot of cutting to do with the traffic in the background. Yep. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. 801, 738, 754, 301, 300s, more 300s, more 898. Ooh, this is a pretty green. I bet these are in the butterflies, because there's the emerald colors in the butterflies. I might add some different bling to that. Oh, look at the maroon. That's going to be beautiful. Okay, I'm going to put these back in the bag. I don't normally do a whole lot of people, but I really like them when they're beautiful like this, when they're from the masters, so to speak. I've never heard of Susan Anderson, though. Sophie Anderson. So I don't know to call her a master, but it's just going to be beautiful. Pretty to work on in the spring. Have you determined what you're going to be diamond painting this spring? What are you working on? I'd love to hear in the comments below what you're working on. Are you in any challenges right now? Okay. Coming into spring, this would be a beautiful one to do. Now I want to look at the symbols real close here, especially in the dark areas. They look to be white on dark and dark on light. I can easily distinguish the different codes from each other very easily. Very easily. Oops. Alrighty. So this is another one from Jaded Gem Shop. And I'm looking forward to doing this one with you and blinging it up. Okay. I hope you have I hope spring is coming on quickly for you. And that you enjoy some of the beautiful weather coming up. Alright, thank you for joining me, Divas. Bye.